that is the interesting fact. Here I go.
Peregrine falcon, it is fastest in the animal kingdom. So cheetah is actually 7th in the
any
list.
category, hands down.
If you see Wikipedia page alva, first peregrine falcon is 7th cheetah ಇದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ 10th 11th Usain Bolt is. So
very interesting alva.
I think
they beat everyone.
Hey Samar,
ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಸೂಪರ್. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ ಮಗ? ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್
ಏನಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚಪಾತಿ ವಾಸನೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೀ. ಹೌ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಯು? ಏನ್ ನಡೀತಿದೆ?
ನಂದು ಊಟ ಆಯ್ತು, ವಾಸನೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಟೋಯ್ತು.
Hi Samar.
ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, just finished my dinner. ಹೇಳು, ನಿಂದ ಏನ್ ಸಮಾಚಾರ?
I was just sitting thinking about stuff. Are you ready to answer some questions?
Yeah, why not?
Yeah, sure.
Are you feeling adventurous?
Definitely, let's do it.
Kind of, and also nervous.
There's no need to be nervous.
Okay, good to know.
Hello, I'm Samar and welcome to Treasure Calls. ಈ ಪಾಡ್ಕಾಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಮತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ತೊಗೋತೀವಿ, ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಆಡಿಯೋ ಟ್ರೆಷರ್ ಹಂಟ್ ಆಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾಲನೂ ಕಳಿತೀವಿ. ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳೋರ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನೇಷನಿಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು.
ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್. ಈ ಎಪಿಸೋಡ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಟು ಹಳೆ ಎಪಿಸೋಡ್. ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಟಿವ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ತ್ ನೋಯಿಂಗ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಅವೇರ್ ಆಫ್. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ದ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್, ನಾಟ್ ದ ಆಲ್ಫ್ರೆಡ್ ಹಿಚ್ಕಾಕ್ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್. ಯಪ್, there are apparently over 10,000 species, but this is limited to Indian birds. ನನಗೆ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದೇನಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ this is a topic I really want to explore. I'm very much fond of nature, at least nature photography. They make for some amazing visuals. One obvious point ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಜನ ನೇಚರ್ನ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಇದು ಇಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಟು ದೇರ್ ಸರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಅವ್ರ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತನ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ, ರೂಮ್ನು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾಗ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರೆಂಟ್ ಅವೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ದೆಮ್. ಅದನ್ನು ಕೀಳಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ವಿ ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ಇಟ್, ವಿ ಸೇ ಹಾಯ್ ಟು ಇಟ್, ವಿ ಸೇ ಇಟ್ ಶಾಟ್ ಆನ್ ಅಸ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಒರೆಸ್ಕೋತೀವಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ವಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್. ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಮೋರ್ ಟು ಇಟ್. ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಮೋರ್ ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಎಪಿಸೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಏನೂ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೈಲೆಂಟಾಗಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡೋದನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಲೈನ್ಗಳು ಹೇಳೋದು, ಅವಾಗವಾಗ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಕಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ನೇಚರ್ ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಾಫರ್ಸ್ ಹೂ ಆರ್ ಮಚ್ ಮೋರ್ ನಾಲೆಜಬಲ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ. ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ಅಶ್ವಿನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಂಜುಳಾ.
Hi Samar.
Hey, hi Ashwin.
Hi Manjula.
Welcome. The interesting part is Manjula and Ashwin don't know each other, but they both are bird photographers, bird watchers, and both are wildlife photographers, and both are amazing at it. ನೀವಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರಿ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬೀನ್ ಬರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಯುವರ್ ಓನ್ ಬಾಲ್ಕನಿ ಆರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೆರೆಸ್, ಅಥವಾ ಮನೆ ಹಿಂದೆನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತ. ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಅದು? ವಾಟ್ ಡು ಯು ಗೈಸ್ ಡೂ ಜನರಲಿ? ಹೌ ಡು ಯು ಗೈಸ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್?
Firstly, like I am a fan of sunrises and sunsets, right? So this lockdown has given me a good opportunity, right? So I think ಅದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು, right? So probably my terrace has a great view. So it has like sunset. You have a Yeshwanthpur railway station also, and I have a very huge park right next to my house. It's called JB Park. And it's also referred as Lal Bagh of North Bangalore, and you have so many birds there. And during this lockdown time, right, so I saw a few birds which I hadn't seen before, like very small birds called Cinereus tedt. Even though it's urban and cluttered area, right, so I've seen vultures also here, Egyptian vultures few times. So compared to earlier, right, the bird activity is more. So ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ, and for the few small birds, I think it's breeding season right now. So ನೀವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ patience ಇದ್ರೆ you can see all those birds. I've been just seeing some small birds, and this koel, Asian koels or kogile, ಅದು ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. And probably I think if she knows better, even they migrate, right?
You guys are always there.
Yeah,
we've always been there. It's a resident, but ಇವಾಗ breeding time ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
so okay, it's more active. Okay.
Summer time, yeah, it can always relate with mangoes and
How's it over at Hyderabad? ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಮಂಜುಳಾ?
I think you all know that ನಾನು sunrise, sunset every day. I post pictures on Facebook also, so probably people are kind of tired of looking at my sunrise, sunset pictures by now. Because every morning I go do bird watching. I keep tabs on whatever I see. Like I'm a regular on eBird, so every day I record what I see. So ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು 20, ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ 20. Maybe the same birds they receive, but it's interesting, ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ behavior ಬೇರೆ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸಂಜೆ time behavior ಬೇರೆ ಒಂಥರ. They are more relaxed because they don't have to find food anymore. They just, that kind of observation you do every day. So yeah. So sunrise, sunset is like staple for me. Every day I have to see.
Yeah, definitely.
It's like a concrete jungle, but that's the only solace I have, sunrise and sunset. It's just the only way to connect with the nature, really. Concrete Sara is full part of Hyderabad. So. But still I'm able to find some 20-25 bird species every day, which is making me happy. So, yeah.
And one more thing is like even the lockdown period agli yavda period agli, so you should be aware of your surroundings. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ it's fine, because when some special bird starts singing, right, or calling, ಅವಾಗ ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸೈಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಮಜಾನೇ ಬೇರೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ. Only this birders will understand that.
True.
Yeah, true.
Because if you, because
what is this when
right, and I've been listening to a kingfisher also right next to my apartment, a white-throated kingfisher, and it's like calling all the time. And eventually I got a photo also, but it was sitting on some mobile tower. But ಅದೇ enthusiasm ಇರಬೇಕು, ಆ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ತಗೊಂಡು ಓಡೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗಿಯಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಇರಬೇಕು.
I'm kind of obsessed with one backstage because every day at 5:30 it comes and sits on the water tank. ಅದೇ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. It's like if it starts singing on the water tank, I know it is 5:30 in the evening. That's so accurate.
Right.
That is how it's really fascinating how birds know their time and when to rest and when to eat. Everything perfect.
This is nice. Shall we start the game?
Yeah,
sure.
ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರೆಷರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಸ್ನ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಬೋಣ. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಆಲ್ ಓವರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಟ್ರೆಷರಾಗಿ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯುವರ್ ಟ್ರೆಷರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಗೆ ರಿಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು. ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಟು ದ ಟ್ರೆಷರ್ ನೀವು 5 ಕ್ಲೂನ ಡಿಕೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈ ಕ್ಲೂಗಳು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ಅ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ರೀಡಲ್. ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಟೈಮ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್. ಫಾರ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 4 ಕ್ಲೂಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ 1 minute ಅಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಫೈನಲ್ ಕ್ಲೂ ಯು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 45 seconds. ಹವೆವರ್ ದ ಸೂನರ್ ದ ಬೆಟರ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್
ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟ್ರೆಷರ್ ಏನಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ an endangered bird.
okay.
First story, this is a type of an old world bird, but it is native only to India. 2002 this has been critically endangered, mainly by a drug called diclofenac. Go.
Indian vulture.
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay.
Awesome.
ನಾನು ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋಂಗೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ vultures right now have been facing the same problem ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Most of them.
All right. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ, ಈ ಬರ್ಡ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು 1848 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ರೀಡಿಸ್ಕವರ್ಡ್ ಅಗೈನ್ ಇನ್ 1986. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ಸ್ ರೇರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಡ್. ಇದು ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಸದರ್ನ್ ಆಂಧ್ರ ಪ್ರದೇಶಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಕಲಿವಿ ಕೊಡಿ. ಗೋ.
Jedon's question.
Yeah, exactly. Okay.
Oh man, it's not a fitting. Okay, Nange. He didn't tell me anything.
That was 2 in 2 and that was under 10 seconds. Wow.
Okay, I think I'll let Ashwin take the next one.
So is it still visible? How are the numbers right now?
Nobody has seen it after 2004.
Oh.
Yeah, the scientist who was working with Jedon's question, Mr. Jagannathan.
Yeah, I think I had seen a presentation by him a couple of years back. NIS festival. So ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರು ಅವರು.
He is motivating us to find it now. Like ಯಾರು ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಂತ ಇದಾರೆ, but it's very difficult because the entire habitat has been destroyed. So there's a very thin chance of seeing it now. That's a sad state.
Wow. I don't even have to do this. ನಾ ಹೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಲೇಬಾರ್ದು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಎಪಿಸೋಡ್ಗೆ. These guys can do it completely on their own.
Come on. Sorry. Okay. Sure, next one will be difficult.
Anyway, third story. This is a bird which is found in the forest of central India. But ಏನಂದ್ರೆ it is endemic to this region. ಅಂದ್ರೆ it's unique to this place.
Okay.
ಇದು ನಾಕ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು, ಹಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಹೊತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡೋದು. 1997 ತನಕ they were thought to be extinct. Go.
You want to take it or should I?
No, I'm thinking, but I'm not sure.
I already got it, I think.
ಕನ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಇದ್ದವ್ರು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ, ಇದೇನೋ
ಯಾ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
Okay. Looks like I'm getting one consolation book.
Don't worry, you're playing as teammates actually. Okay.
Yeah. But forest outlets, I mean, is it like only distributed to MP or because I've seen some photographs.
No, he said central India. That makes
Okay,
it
okay,
Maharashtra and Gujarat as well. Yeah.
Okay.
It was in Andhra Pradesh too also ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಮುಂಚೆ ಇವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
Yeah. We may have to find it now.
And currently
Hey, the problem is forest patch illa getting destroyed. Wherever the habitat is, it's all getting destroyed. Most of these birds are getting destroyed because of that only reason because habitat illa.
okay. Anyway, fourth story ಹೋಗೋಣ.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yes, please, I'm ready.
I think Ashwin is waiting to answer the question. ನೋಡೋಣ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಇದು ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಹೆವಿಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ಡ್, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಲುಕ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎನ್ ಆಸ್ಟ್ರಿಚ್. ಒಂದು ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ರೇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಇಂಡಿಯಾಸ್ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಬರ್ಡ್. ಈಗ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಎಂಡೇಂಜರ್ಡ್. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್.
Oh, it's endangered right now.
Yeah,
you want to go?
ಏನಪ್ಪ ಇದು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫುಲ್ ಈಸಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಹೇಳ ಅಥವಾ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಹೇಳಿ.
heaviest flying bird.
I know the answer just in case it's
Yeah.
worry.
you are running out of time. Think fast. You have like 25
Okay,
seconds.
Great Indian Bustard.
Wow.
Okay.
Anyway, yeah, it's Great Indian Bustard. Yes.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ your
Okay.
last question ಏನಿತ್ತು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ you said it is endangered. Okay.
Yeah.
ನನ್
Yeah.
ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. ಎಂಡೇಂಜರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟಿಂಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತು ನನಗೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಬಬ್ಲಿ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಹಸ್ವಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
Because Ashwin is hungry, last question ಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು.
ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಹೇಳ.
Final story. Great Indian Bustard usually is found on the Indian-Pakistani border. ಆ ಕಡೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. There's another similar bustard on the eastern part of India, usually on Arunachal Pradesh and UP. This is a subspecies of bustard. It's also the world's rarest bustard. Start.
Queen's bustard.
Do you want?
Queen's bustard. No.
Queen's Bustard is again found in Rajasthan region only.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. So he's talking about the eastern part. Okay.
Are you sure it's a bustard?
Yes, I'm pretty sure it's a bustard. 20 seconds done. 20 seconds done.
Because there is one Bengal florican that is there in that side, but
Yeah.
okay, I'll let Ashwin take this.
Because you don't know.
Bustard? No, I know few bustards, but I'm not sure.
Okay, you guys have 5 seconds.
Do you mean Kori bustard? You mean Kori bustard by any chance?
Yeah.
2 seconds.
Kori bustard.
1 second. Done.
Kori bustard is not from.
Okay, the time is
Yeah,
up.
it's in Africa, I think, most probably.
Time is up.
Okay, fine. We give up.
You actually gave the answer. It's Bengal florican.
That's a florican.
It's not a. Yeah, it is not a bustard.
It's a subspecies of bustard.
Florican ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು.
Technically, I gave you the answer.
Yeah, ಅಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಫ್ಲೋರಿಕನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ.
Oh no, he's making more about conservation somehow.
Yeah.
All the
right.
credit of you, Samir.
ಇಲ್ಲ.
This is my agenda.
It's good actually. It's a good
Yeah.
discussion. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ I think recently you also saw, right? They released a report called State of Indian Birds. You can check that. That is
Hey,
pretty
you can
cool.
find my contribution as there.
Oh, awesome.
You can see my pictures there. Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, nice. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. They have like very good information also.
ಈ ಎಪಿಸೋಡ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟೇ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿಗೋಣ. ಗುಡ್ ಬೈ.